Welcome to the training and instructional video for use of the TSP Procedure Kit with Thermochem HT series devices. The Thermochem HT 2000 and HT 2500 devices are both compatible with TSP Procedure Kits and can be used for open, closed, or laparoscopic high-PEC cases. The HT 2000 is available worldwide and the HT 2500 is available in Europe. Additional required items needed for the high-PEC procedure includes sterile water for the device water bath, perfusate bags, and the all-inclusive TSP procedure kit. If the device has been in storage, some setup may be required. Initial pre-setup may include positioning of the monitor, the side tray, and the heat exchanger bracket. The IV hanger rod can also be attached at this point. Make sure the power cord is fully inserted into the socket in the back and also into the wall receptacle. The power cord and adapter should be appropriate for the power receptacles. Local power requirements are considered prior to the shipment to the Thermochem unit. The water bath should be filled prior to powering up. Open the water bath drain first to confirm the water bath is empty and have a basin to catch any residual water from a previous case. When the drain tap is closed, open the water bath door and slowly fill with 2 liters of sterile water. The power switch is on the back of the unit above the cord socket. Power the device on and wait for the monitor to show the boot up process. This should take less than 1 minute to complete. The Thermochem has reusable components stored in the pocket on the side of the device. Please note these items are not to be discarded after the case and should be differentiated from the disposable kit components. This includes the blue temperature probe extension cables, the heat exchanger temperature probe, 2 water lines, and the fluid reservoir bracket. The fluid reservoir bracket is attached on the front, on the right side handle. The height can be adjusted during the case as needed for outflow adjustment from the patient. The heat exchanger temperature probe is attached at the connector panel. Connect the black end of the probe by carefully aligning the pins inside the plug to the receptacle. Once seated, turn the end of the plug clockwise to tighten. The water line hoses can be used interchangeably for the hot or cold connection on the device. The larger end of each hose is used to connect to the device. Lift the spring collar and click into place. Connect the blue temperature probe extension cables at the connector panel into the color-coded receptacles. Depending upon physician preference, 2, 3, or 4 cables can be connected to the device, and each cable will connect to a disposable patient temperature probe.